So what is a growth operator, and how can we use this brand new business model to create £10,000 a month for us as growth operators and for the content creator? I've made a 41-page document outlining this business model, and it's yours for free. Just comment below doc and you can have it. Subscribe to my channel, because in this video we're going to go over the first chapter, and then I'm going to link all the videos.
So, what is a growth operator? A growth operator, it involves partnering with a content creator to launch and scale a paid community. This community can be about anything, typically related to the creator's content niche, such as fitness, nutrition, make money online, any educational niche you can imagine. Growth operating is a relatively new but rapidly evolving business model that capitalizes on the burgeoning digital economy. At its core, it involves a symbiotic partnership between the growth operator and the content creator, typically one with a substantial online presence, for example, over 10,000 followers. This partnership primary objective is to build and scale a paid community around the creator's niche and expertise. So the concept. The idea is straightforward yet powerful, leveraging the existing audience of a content creator to establish and monetize their community. This community can revolve around various themes depending on the creator's focused area, such as fitness, nutrition, personal finance, whatever educational niche that they're in, or any other field where there is an audience, interest, and engagement. So the role of a growth operator. The growth operator acts as the architect and manager of this community. Their responsibilities include strategizing, planning, and executing the various aspects of the community building. This includes setting up the platform school. We're going to be using the school platform for the community, managing memberships, creating engagement strategies, and ensuring the community's overall growth and sustainability. Unlike the content creator, we focus on producing engaging and relative content. The growth operator focuses on the business and operational side. The division of labor allows each party to concentrate on their strengths, thereby maximizing the potential of the partnership. So, why is this effective? Content creators often have the talent and skills to produce compelling content, but may lack the business acumen or time to monetize their audience effectively. Growth operators fill this gap by providing the necessary business skills and strategies. This model is particularly effective because it taps into an already engaged audience. The followers of a content creator are likely to be more receptive to joining a paid community, as they already have the trust and interest of the creator's content. What types of communities? These communities can take various forms, such as exclusive memberships, sites, forums, or groups where members can access specialized content, interact with each other, and often with the creator themselves. The content and activities within these communities are typically more structured and value-driven than the general free content available online. They might include webinars or Q&As. For example, in the school app, we can host weekly Q&As, so about an hour long. Everybody can be live, and if the content creator is there live, they can ask questions to the content creator. You can hold exclusive resources in there, tutorials, and personal advice depending on the community's focus. Monetization and revenue sharing. The monetization of these communities usually comes from membership fees, paid resources, or exclusive access to events or content. The revenue generated is then shared between the content creator and the growth operator as per their agreement via their initial call. The typical revenue model includes a monthly or annual subscription fee for the community members. The model ensures a steady income stream, making it an attractive proposal for both the growth operator and the content creator. Okay, so choosing the right creator. Success in growth operating significantly depends on the partnering with the right content creator. Ideally, candidates are those who not only have a sizable and engaged audience, but also possess the strong personal brand and are seen as authorities in their niche. The content creator should ideally be someone who is actively looking to expand their business and monetize their following and is open to exploring new revenue streams. Okay, their audience should be one that is likely to be interested and willing to pay for attention, exclusive content, or community access. So, theoretically, 1% of anyone's audience will convert into being a paid member to get exclusive access to the content creator and to get exclusive content within the paid membership. But challenges and considerations. One of the main challenges in growth operating is ensuring that the community remains engaged and continues to see value in their membership. This requires continuous effort in terms of creating fresh, relevant content and maintaining active engagement within the community. This is why the weekly live Q&As are a must, or at least once every 2 weeks, twice a month or 4 times a month, depends on the time the content creator has. Another consideration is the legal and financial structure of the partnership between the growth operator and the content creator. Clear arguments on revenue sharing, roles and responsibilities are critical to avoid conflict. So using things like PandaDoc to draft up a contract before you start is the way we should be looking at this. Okay, so future prospects. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, with more people turning to online platforms for education, entertainment, and community, the potential for growth operating is significant. It offers a unique opportunity to monetize digital content in a way that benefits both the content creator and the growth operator, while also providing value to the audience. This model particularly appealing in the current climate where digital entrepreneurs is on the rise and people are looking for new ways to leverage their skills and passion into a viable online business. So, in summary, growth operating is a dynamic and promising business model that aligns with the current trends in digital content consumption and online community engagement. It offers a win win scenario for the content creator and the growth operator, providing a platform to monetize their content effectively while offering audiences specialized value and added experiences. So that's the first chapter of this document. If you would like this document, comment down below document and I'll send you over this document so you can have it to look at as you want. I'm going to be covering this over the next couple of YouTube videos. I'll probably link it up here if you want to see the next chapter. And yeah, go and look at the rest of my content and we're going to work on this together.